Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quality improvements, how to improve your photo quality on Instander. So all you have to do is open the Instander app. So if you use this Instander app as your Instagram mode, there is a feature that can improve your media quality. So if you want to improve that, please, a new user, you can download this Instander, not from Play Store. You can try to search from trusted sources in a Google Chrome or other website. You can search the Instander or Instagram mode. So after you open the Instander, you can go directly to your profile. You can tap on your profile, tap on three lines at the top of your screen, and tap on Instander settings. In standard settings. Here we go. The fourth option is quality improvements. You can tap it. So there are five options that can improve your quality. You can turn on improve stories quality, you can improve reels quality, you can improve a Instagram TV quality, but I don't use it, sorry, just turn it off, and improve photo quality. And here, the last option, by default, Instagram compresses photos by screen width. This option disables the restrictions. You can turn it on. So, your media or your image quality will be improved by using this Insta mode. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.